Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'm gonna explain to you where you need to ship your products to, or your private label products, your wholesale products, your retail arbitrage or online arbitrage products to. So on the home page of the private portals, the address will be right here, and you will address it to preppers, and the address is 541 West Betteravia Road, Suite I in Santa Maria, California, 9345. So the address will always be here. Once you tell your supplier where to ship it, just provide them with this address, and it'll get shipped over here to our warehouse, and we will begin to prep it and get your product shipped into Amazon. All right, so that's where to get the address. That's exactly what it is. So I'll see you guys in the next video.